Today I get to show you a 1990 Ford Bronco restoration project I just finished. I love restoring old vehicles, or just vehicles in general. I've done a couple pickups, a couple boats, Corvette, a Fiero. It's just a fun hobby for me, and I'm glad we get to share this one with you too. So the 1990 Bronco is ready to drive out. Doesn't have any seats or anything, so I'm excited. I got Kara, so I'm ready to pull it out the barn and to have you take a look. This was such a fun project to do. It just turned out beautiful. I redid everything in it, made probably 20 trips to the junkyard for parts and seats and carpet and everything else I stripped out of old vehicles. And once I listed it, the vehicle sold within 24 hours, and it waved bye-bye down the driveway and on to the next vehicle. So glad you were able to watch, and I hope you enjoyed.